In 2021, the Montana SLDS team launched a new GEMS website. This video provides a walkthrough of the new layout and its organization. For folks familiar with the previous version, this video attempts to provide commentary that compares and contrasts the previous version to the new one. For folks who are new to using GEMS, this video will provide you a more general overview of the website and its navigation. The new GEMS website can be found at gems.opi.mt.gov. At the top of the homepage, you're provided with a direct link to a navigation guide for the new website as a reference. Then some overarching figures and facts for Montana Public Schools are also provided. One way in which the new website is different from the previous version is the login process. Previously, there was a public-facing site and a separate secure site. On new GEMS, you simply log in using your Secure GEMS login on the public-facing site. Secure GEMS is provided upon request to appropriate stakeholders. The difference being that on Secure GEMS, users can see unmasked and student-level data. Naturally, on the public-facing site, student identity is protected by masking any student count that's less than 10 and by blocking access to any student-level data and reports like our early warning system and our FAFSA reports. To log in, simply select the Login button in the upper right-hand corner. If you already have a GEMS Secure account, you can reset your password if needed here. If you don't already have an existing account, you can request one by clicking the Request Secure Access link. This will redirect you to the OPI website and provide you a form to complete. The GEMS Access Request form can be filled out and then sent back to the GEMS Help Desk. This same form can be found on our support page. There's a different form for stakeholders and internal OPI employees. If you are an OPI employee, select the Request Secure Access link that's specific for OPI employees. The previous version of GEMS had 9 data domains. In the revision process for the new website, we simplified the domains down to 3. Moving from 9 domains to 3 was one way the GEMS revision focused on ease of navigation for the user. You might also notice that on the previous version of GEMS, the domains were listed under a data tab in the top menu. The current GEMS homepage does not have a menu at the top like the previous version. There is a search menu at the top, but the data domains themselves are accessed at the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see 3 buttons for those 3 domains: the student data domain, the school and district data domain, and the finance data domain. All of the data that was stored within those previous 9 can be found housed within one of these 3 domains. In addition, we have also added several new dashboards as well that were not in old GEMS. Each domain page is structured by listing its dashboards first, which is followed by a general dashboard navigation guide. The data reports are listed second, and they are followed by a general reports navigation guide. To enter into a dashboard environment, select the drop-down arrow next to one of the dashboard titles. To begin pulling a data report, fill out the entry fields, and then select the Submit button. A report will be generated for you based on the selections that you make. At the bottom of each domain page are active buttons to the other 2 domain pages that you're not currently on. There's also an active link to make a specific data request. And the Need Help, Contact Us is an active link to our help page. Our support page also houses that general navigation guide for the new website. You can always return back to the GEMS homepage by selecting the GEMS logo in the upper left-hand corner. On the previous version of GEMS, Finding schools and making school comparisons could be accessed using the Find Schools tab. These features have been reorganized into 4 interactive dashboards on the new website. These include School Profile Dashboard, School Comparison Dashboard, the District Profile Dashboard, and the District Comparison Dashboard. Each of these are housed in the School District data domain. Not only is all of the information and data still available, but by presenting with the interactive dashboard environments, it provides more capacity for you as the user to really explore and use that data. To access one of these 4 dashboards on the new website, go first to the School District data domain. Underneath the category of Understanding and Comparing School Systems, you'll find each of these listed: the District Profile, District Comparison, School Profile, and School Comparison. For an example, let's just briefly explore the School Profile dashboard. Begin by selecting the drop-down arrow next to the title, and the dashboard environment will populate in the space below. To use the profile dashboard, we need to first select a school. Let's select Savage 7th and 8th grade. After selecting a school, all of the school details, location, contact information will be provided in the overview page. There are several pages in each of the dashboards on GEMS. The profile dashboard also contains school information about statewide assessments, particular school characteristics like attendance rate, enrollment count, student-to-teacher ratios. There's also a page for program and course offerings. And lastly, on school accreditation. If I wanted to compare Savage 7th and 8th grade school to, say, another middle school or 7th and 8th grade school in Montana, I would use the School Comparison dashboard. As you begin exploring some of these dashboard environments, know that there are resource and navigation guides and tutorial videos provided for you underneath each of the dashboard environments. For example, the School Profile Dashboard Guide is a button that will link you to a tutorial document giving you purpose for the dashboard, definitions and common navigation, where to start in using the dashboard, and common tips and tricks. Our GEMS website is not a static site. We're actively developing new dashboards and features, updating the platform really for actionable, relevant, and accessible data. We're also always looking for feedback, so please feel invited to contact us at the GEMS Help Desk. Let us know about your experience, feedback that you have, or any suggestions for improvement.